Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to check a serial number in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To find our serial number, we have to go to the settings first. So tap settings, then we need to scroll all the way down until we can see about phone section here. Tap it once. And here we have our serial number. This is a unique number to our phone and it's the same number that should be on our original box. It was quite easy to find. It's just in About Phone section on the bottom of the default menu. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.